SMM services are what every brand needs, regardless of its age, scale, and focus. Declare yourself, create the right image, and increase sales. It's all possible due to competent work in social networks. SMM promotion includes strategy development, creation of unique design, and implementation of community management. Why should you contact us? Our services, SMM promotion and training, engaging real and interested subscribers, increased conversions, reporting on the work done every 2 weeks per month. The first results are visible after a month of work. Looking for a serious business audience, or are students your potential customers? It is necessary to speak the same language in comfortable conditions with any client. Since each of us has an account in social networks, the task entrusted to the SMM agency is to reach out to everyone at the right time and with the correct message. And of course, in the right place.